Hi friends, let's learn a little bit more about the share settings in the Google Suite of Apps. I'm about to show you how to change the share settings in this Google Doc, but it's going to be the same in any of the Google Suite of Apps. Up here in the top right of our Google Doc, you'll see the share button, and when we click it, we're going to get this dialog box. There are a lot of things that we can do within this dialog box. The first thing that I want you to notice is that this is the people that have access. If you just created it, it's pretty much going to just be you. You're the owner. But if you wanted to add someone to this document so that they also have access, you can just either add them if it's somebody you share with regularly, and I'll just do that, or you can type in their email address and you can change what kind of access that they have. They can either just look at it, they can look at it and comment on it, or they can have full editing access like you do. You can also add an expiration date so that the access will be cut off at a certain time. I'm going to hit cancel on this because I don't really need to do that. All right, down here, this general access, this is telling us who can see our document when they have this link. The default is usually restricted, meaning only the people that are up here can see the document with that link. That's not typically what we want to do if we're trying to share something, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this down and I'll go to Tulsa Public Schools. That means anybody that has a K-12 Gmail with Tulsa Public Schools will be able to view, comment, or edit. You can also make it searchable or make it where you have to have the link to access it. The other option is that anyone with the link, anyone in the entire interwebs, can either view, comment, or edit. Once you've changed it to the access that you would like to have, you just hit copy link, and that's the link that you share. When you're done, you just click done. But what about sharing within your Canvas course? If you want to embed a Google Slides, for example, so that you don't have to share a link, but you are presenting the information within one of your Canvas courses, that's a little bit different. That's called publishing. So you can still share the link in the exact same ways I just showed you in the doc. But if you wanted to publish this so that a neat and tidy presentation without the little menu over here, you could come to File, Share, and Publish to the Web. When I click that, we're going to get this dialog box. You can either publish so that you are giving them this link and it'll open up a presentation mode, the slideshow view of your presentation in another window when they click the link, and they won't have access to any of this over here or your speaker notes. Or you can come to embed. And embed will let you click in here and then Control-C to copy all of that information. And this is what you're going to embed in your Canvas course by going to Insert and Embed. And it will put a nice, neat slideshow presentation in your Canvas assignments. All right, I hope that helps you to better understand how to share your Google Suite of Apps documents.